Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn about the example of explanation text in English part 6. Butterfly. Butterfly. Metamorphosis is the process of a caterpillar to become a new animal or perfect stage. In this case, it's a butterfly. The process happens quite simple but takes quite a long time. First, starting from an egg laid by a butterfly on a leaf, or usually leaf of orange tree or other tree. This leaf is aimed to be in the food for the caterpillars until it reaches adulthood, when the time comes to become a pupa or cocoon, and in some day it will become a new butterfly. The egg that laid by a butterfly will hatch in 3 to 5 days. Then it becomes larva. The larva will walk to the edge of the leaf of host plant and start eating it. Most of the larvae eat its empty eggshell as a first food. The outer skin of the larva does not stretch following its growth, but it becomes very tight when larva will change its skin. Larva change its skins or molting for about 4 to 6 times during its life. When the larva reaches the maximum growth, larva will stop eating, walking to seek the nearest shelter, clinging themselves to a branch or a leaf with woven yarn. The larvae have entered the phase of free pupa and for the last time releasing the skin to form a pupa or cocoon. Pupa usually hard, smooth, and in the form of a structure without any limb. Commonly, pupa is green, brown, or the color according to the surroundings, or camouflage. The forming of a butterfly in the pupa usually takes 7 to 20 days depending on the species. Once it is out of the pupa, the butterfly will crawl to the top so that the wings that are still weak, crumbled, and slightly wet can hang down and inflate normally. Immediately after the wings are dry, inflated and strong, the wings will open and close several times and the butterfly will attempt to fly. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.